Crash course on marketing. Consumer behavior. Learn how consumers make purchasing decisions and how to use that information in marketing strategies. Sure, let's get started. Marketing is a complex field that involves understanding the behavior of consumers and using that information to develop effective marketing strategies. Consumer behavior refers to the actions and decisions that consumers make when purchasing goods and services. Understanding consumer behavior can help marketers to anticipate the needs and wants of their target audience, tailor their marketing messages to resonate with them, and ultimately drive sales. So, how do consumers make purchasing decisions? There are several factors that influence their decision-making process, including personal factors. These include factors such as age, income, occupation, education level, and personality. For example, a person's income level might influence their willingness to pay for premium products, while their personality might influence their preference for certain brands. Psychological factors. These include factors such as perception, motivation, attitudes, beliefs, and values. For example, a person's perception of a product might influence their decision to purchase it, while their motivation might be influenced by their desire for a particular outcome, such as feeling more confident or attractive. Social factors. These include factors such as culture, social class, family, and reference groups. For example, a person's cultural background might influence their preferences for certain types of food or fashion, while their social class might influence their willingness to purchase luxury goods. Situational factors. These include factors such as time, place, and context. For example, a person's decision to purchase a certain type of product might be influenced by the time of day, the location of the store, or the weather conditions. Now, let's take a look at some of the most common consumer behaviors that marketers should be aware of. 1. Need recognition. This is the first step in the consumer decision-making process, where the consumer becomes aware of a need or problem that they want to solve. 2. Information search. Once the consumer recognizes a need, they will typically begin to search for information about possible solutions. This might involve searching online, asking friends and family, or visiting stores to look at products. 3. Evaluation of alternatives. After gathering information about possible solutions, the consumer will evaluate the pros and cons of each option in order to determine which one is the best fit for their needs. 4. Purchase decision. Once the consumer has evaluated their options, they will make a decision to purchase the product or service that they believe will best meet their needs. 5. Post-purchase evaluation. After making a purchase, the consumer will evaluate their decision to determine whether or not they are satisfied with their purchase. This evaluation can influence their future buying decisions and their perception of the brand. 6. Brand loyalty. Some consumers develop strong attachments to certain brands and will continue to purchase from those brands even if other options become available. 7. Impulse buying. This is when a consumer makes a purchase without thinking it through or doing any research. Impulse buying is often driven by emotions such as excitement or urgency. 8. Price sensitivity. Some consumers are highly sensitive to price and will only make purchases if they believe that they are getting a good deal. 9. Social influence. Consumers are often influenced by the opinions and behaviors of those around them, including friends, family, and celebrities. 10. Product features. Consumers may be drawn to products based on specific features such as quality, design, or functionality. 11. Convenience. Consumers may be more likely to purchase products that are convenient to use or access, such as online shopping or delivery services. 12. Environmental and ethical concerns. Some consumers are motivated by environmental or ethical concerns and will choose to purchase products that align with their values. In summary, understanding consumer behavior is essential for developing effective marketing strategies. By understanding the factors that influence consumers' decision-making processes and the most common consumer behaviors, marketers can develop targeted messaging and campaigns that resonate with their target audience. From need recognition to post-purchase evaluation, each step of the consumer decision-making process provides an opportunity for marketers to connect with consumers and drive sales. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an example. Imagine a company that sells environmentally friendly cleaning products. By understanding that some consumers are motivated by environmental concerns, the company can develop messaging that emphasizes the sustainability and eco-friendliness of their products. They can also target consumers who are interested in reducing their carbon footprint through social media ads and email marketing campaigns. The company can also appeal to consumers' desire for convenience by offering online ordering and delivery services. By offering a range of product features such as natural ingredients, pleasant scents, and effective cleaning power, the company can appeal to a variety of consumer preferences and needs. Finally, the company can leverage brand loyalty by offering promotions and discounts to repeat customers and by developing a strong brand identity that resonates with consumers' values and priorities. In conclusion, understanding consumer behavior is a critical aspect of marketing. By understanding how consumers make purchasing decisions and what factors influence their behavior, marketers can develop effective campaigns that resonate with their target audience and drive sales. By leveraging the most common consumer behaviors and developing targeted messaging, marketers can build strong relationships with consumers and build successful brands that stand the test of time. And now, as promised, here is a poem about consumer behavior. The shopper walks the aisles with care, deciding what to buy and where. They weigh the options, one by one, considering features and what's to come. Their needs are varied, that we know, from convenience to ethics and more below. Their choices speak to who they are and what they want, near or far. But marketers are savvy, smart. They know the tricks to win each heart. By tapping into needs and wants, they craft their messaging and taunts. From need recognition to post-purchase thoughts, each step is crucial, each moment fraught. But with strategy and care, they'll win and keep the shoppers coming in. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.